Welcome back students. In this particular video, we are going to understand everything about purchase in latest version Teleprime. Now, there are 5 steps which are comprises of when you are going to do a purchase of trading item. The first one is a purchase order, second one is receipt note, then a rejection out, purchase bill, and finally debit note. What is the relation between all these steps and how to go about this? We are going to understand in this particular video. We are not going to do it practically in Tally right now because before that we need to understand the concept. So let me begin with the purchase order. Now, what is purchase order? Purchase order is the commercial document which is being sent by the buyer to the supplier with the request or intention to purchase a product or services. Now remember one thing, while purchase order is being generated, the product has not been received by the buyer from the seller, nor the payment has been received. Remember, this is not an invoice. This is just an intention to purchase particular amount of products or good from the seller. Now, once you have generated the purchase order, there you will have to mention that within how much time you want the product. So you have generated the purchase order. Once that is being done, then comes the next step, which is receipt note. The shortcut is Alt plus F9. Now receipt note is going to be generated when you have received the order based on purchase order. Let me read out for you. A receipt note voucher is used to record receipt of goods or item in reference to the purchase order. In receipt note, we have received the product, but again, this is not an invoice. You have not made the payment yet. Now, after these two particular steps, then comes a rejection out. This is not a compulsory step, but it may occur. When it's going to occur? When you are willing to return some of the product, or let's say all the product, due to some reasons. Again, let me read out for you. This voucher is used to record goods returned back that were rejected by the company. For example, the company returned back those items that were rejected by a vendor. Let's say you have processed the purchase order of 100 items and you have received the 100 items also. But then again, for some reason you want to return 10 items out of that. So in that particular case, you are going to proceed with the rejection out. Then comes the fourth step, which is purchase bill. Now this is the step where you are going to generate the invoice. When you have received the good, maybe in the form of credit or maybe in the form of cash, purchase voucher is used to record all the purchase transaction of the company. Once the purchase bill has been generated, after that you are going to make the payment based on the invoice. Now after this all four steps, fifth step is not necessary, but again it may occur. After generating the purchase bill, you have found out that few of the product or goods is defective. So in that case, you are going to return that particular purchase. So that is being known as debit note or debit memo. A debit note can be issued from a buyer to their seller to indicate or request of return of funds due to incorrect or damaged good received. So every purchase go through these 5 steps. In the next video, we are going to see it practically, how it's going to be happen in Tally. This is it for the video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.